as we already know how the event will looks like finally, let's starting it from the scratch. On the right hand, let's click the button create event and start fulfilling the basic information that we need to fulfill before continuing. So let's make the name. Let's make a KajGO bike ride, right? And here, or like the organization uh, is a organization who will be the owner of that event. If you don't have an organization yet, please visit the other tutorial where we talk about the creating organizations and connecting the subscription with it. But so let's assume that we'll use Estonian Tech Hub and like the our organization that will be owner of the events. Then continue. Next is selecting of the category. So to help users and clients, potential clients to find your event, it's best to describe the category of your event as much as possible to match your event. For example, we making a bike ride, so let's make trip, off road, and sightseeing. For example, three categories that should be enough for them to find those old. So let's start multiple days. As you see, you can select a type of event like the one day or multiple days. For example, for multiple it will be bike ride, so it could take couple of days, or just a single day like the concert, performance, whatever. We let's say select the multiple because our event will be a multiple day events, and then we'll start, for example, on Friday. Friday will be our first day, so 7th of November. That will be our first day, and we will be finishing on the Sunday, end of the Sunday. That will be our last day of the event. As the location, let's took the starting point. No, it's important right now. Location could be B1, like the let's say main square in the city, and whole event could be around this place, or it could be a multiple locations. So in this case, we'll select the start location and finish location, and that's exactly what we wanted. So let's make a Katowice Rynek. So it's a Katowice main square, or it's a market square, depends how you know it. And the final destination will be Kraków. In the same rynek główny, so the market square in Krakow. And of course, the time zone also is critical to set or change from the default if you're creating event in a different time zone than Europe Central. So here, next step is uploading some media files, so banner, image representation of your event, some kind of advertisement and so on. But this part we can do it a little bit later, when you can also use AI that we propose that help you generate those. And of course, the second part, the last part is the description. Description, as it says, here you can put your description about the event with the details, or you can make it a little bit later, also using the AI agent that helps you generate a proper and interesting description if you don't have it yet. So finalizing this step, we're clicking save changes and wait to page to be reload. Thank you.